name is Hanifah Dewi. So I would like to talk about culture shock experienced Indonesia Muslim student in Europe. So before we start, let me explain about what is culture shock. Culture shock is mean when we move to other country or a new place, then we surprised about everything. Surprised about rules, habit, lifestyle, food, language. Surprised because everything different about we country before. There is three challenges when Indonesia Muslim student move to other country. The first is rhythm of prayer. In Indonesia, we can prayer every time. Nothing problem about the weather. But in Europe, there is weather. There is weather, summer and winter. In summer, the day is very long, but in winter, the day is very short. So they have to manage their time to prayer correctly. And some university in Europe, they not have a prayer room, so the student have to find the prayer room or a place to prayer. Prayer is important for Indonesian Muslim student, so they have to manage their prayer time correctly. The second is food mix. In Indonesia, we can find halal food everywhere and easy, because in restaurant or market is always halal food. But in Europe, when we want to go a market, then we want to buy something or some snack, we have to check the ingredient first before we buy it. There is several food codes we should avoid. For example, is the code A in UK. We should be careful before we buy something. We have to check this code have an ingredient or not. When we want go to some restaurant in a new country or a new place, we have to check the restaurant in internet. The third is social norms. In Indonesia, when have a social event, we not use the alcohol. Some country they use alcohol for a social event, so it's not part of their religion practice. The next, there is three stage for culture shock with Indonesia Muslim student in Europe. The first is a honeymoon. Honeymoon, when we feel like excited and happy because we have to move to other country. We experience about the new rules, new lifestyle, and new people in a new country. The second stage is a frustration stage. So in this part, Indonesian student, they feel like a stress and frustration because everything different. So they hard to control the lifestyle, habit, rules in new country. So they feel like homesick and stress about everything. They miss their friend, family in Indonesia. The third is adaptation stage. This part is final. They Indonesian Muslim student, they can manage everything about lifestyle, about rules, language, and they confident about everything. And this part, they can be independent, then they can manage everything about problems with themselves, about communicate with people in new country. Strategies for overcoming culture shock. The first is join Muslim student communicate. Is when we join this, we can have information about the Moscow and about the food, halal food, about halal restaurant, and about everything for a Muslim. The second is learn local costume and local tradition. When we use this, we can know about the local costume and local tradition, so we can understand for the local people, for the local people. The third is should connected with the family and friends in Indonesia. So is make the student not feel like homesick and miss the family and friends. The fourth is student can seek support from university service. And this part, in university they have counseling, so Indonesia Muslim student can sharing their story or sharing their problem with the counseling. Last is keep a balance between Indonesia and local culture. So they have to understand about the local cultures and Indonesia cultures. Students have to balance about Indonesia cultures and local cultures together. Okay, this is all for me. Thank you for your listening. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.